All right, Long Branch, New Jersey, Sunday, June 21st, 2026. Let's do a time check. It's 5:20 p.m. Weather check. It's 76 degrees. It feels warmer though, but it says 76 degrees. So I guess that's what it is. But yeah, we're strolling around Long Branch right now. We're at the Pier Village, and there's a good amount of people here. This place is jumping today. So let's stroll around this way over here. And this is like the main dining section of the Pier Village over here. And there's quite a bit of people here from New York City. We have New Jersey, New York City mostly. Probably other places also. So let's stroll around. Let's see what's crack-a-lacking. Got the LBK grill right here. Skip the line, order online, pick up here. So they got snacks, grills, tacos, salads. Got the Bubbles Cafe. I guess this is a drink spot, maybe bubble tea. No, it's just a drink and a food spot too. Let's take a stroll over this way. There's a lot of shops up here, up around the corner, so I want to take a stroll over that way.
Today when we were at church, like a lot of people said hi.
Wow, it's a cool dog. Cool puppy.
É porque eu fico pensando se a gente se no...
Either I lost weight or something. Now it's all.
What's that area?
Yeah, you gotta keep track of all the happy hours first.
You could have had them cut it open because they would have played.
Yeah, the Coney ice cream spot is always jumping whenever we're here. Crazy busy, that spot. Wow. I don't think it's ever been slow whenever I've been here. Whenever we walk around the Long Branch. So yeah, today we'll probably see multiple like busy spots here today. For sure. Yeah, Coney, this is popular, this place. It looks like a reunion. Summer's back. There's a reunion. Wow. Yeah, very busy. Very popular spot right here, the Coney. Yeah, very popular. There's a long line.
You're gonna get stuck with this.
You got it. You good. You good. You good. All good. No problem. So yeah, it is jumping here today. A lot of people. Long Branch into his house. All right, let's stroll this way. Yeah, there's people everywhere today here. Super, super cool.
Who that there?
stuck up like right here. See the cars up to the It wasn't a, it was not a,
I'll tell you, this spot right here is really cool beach view area. Like, the way this is set up, it's really cool. You can get a nice beach view and the ocean view and everything right here. Very cool how they have this place right here positioned and set up and everything.
It's 5:33. We got 30 more minutes. I ain't ready to go.
You can take mine. You know what I'm saying? Yo, bro, chill out.
I'm sorry, baby.
Skydiving, anything can happen any moment. Did you see that video of the bungee jumping? You didn't see that? It's just too long. Okay. You people. It's one minute home. Yeah. It's so weird. All people were watching it, taking pictures, doing flashbacks. Why didn't they stop?
Yeah, it's like, yo como hombre recibo porque listo.
Long Branch into his house, 2026. June 2026.